Hey guys, welcome to the first episode of how to make a game, a mouse dodging game. So we're gonna go ahead and create a new project, obviously. We're going to go first into the costumes. Then we are going to delete the scratch cat. And this is going to be our player, so might as well just player now. So just for reference, you can put anything you want. I am just going to put a simple yellow face. I'm going to go ahead and put a little smiley face on it. Oh, that's a little too thick. There we go. And we are going to go ahead and do one group if click. Drag out our forever loop here. Forever. Go to mouse pointer. Yay. So now what you should have is your player should be just dragging along the screen, just like that. Or if you want to make your game a little harder, then you can do point towards mouse pointer, and then move distance to mouse pointer times divided by 2. And I'm going to go ahead and make this 4. Should make it smooth glide just like this. Okay, we're gonna have to fix that. Let's see what that is. Ooh, okay, maybe like times 2. Much better. As you can see, it is now smooth gliding. So let's increase it to 3 so it's a little faster. Oh, no, that breaks into 1. As you can see, it is now smooth gliding, and this will make your game harder. But just for reference, you can still use the go-to mouse pointer. We're also going to drag in. We're going to have 2 scripts here. One of them is going to be our smooth glide, and the other one is going to be our go-to mouse pointer. So, just for some reference, we're going to put minor spelling errors. Start and loop end. There we go. Okay, so going to do forever. Go to mouse pointer. This is just the start of the loop, and this is the loop end of the loop. And we're going to do 0, 0, which is the center of the screen, but we're going to wait like 2 seconds, maybe like 1 second. So now if we do this, and we disable that. Oh, I accidentally put the weight in the thing. Sorry guys. Should look something like just gonna put this in the custom block. There we go. It should look something like this. Anyways, just gonna undo all that. Yep, that should be good. Anyways. So this is just basic movement, guys. Just go ahead and save. It's pretty cool, I guess. But we're now going to make our enemies, and I'm going to make my enemies. You don't have to make your enemies the exact same thing as mine. I'm going to make my enemies a cube. Going to change the size a little because that's a little big in my opinion. That's good. And I'm going to go ahead and one grid if I clicked, I'm going to do what's called a clone factory, okay? I'm gonna put forever. Wait. Pick random 1, 2. I'm just gonna do 3 seconds to create a clone of myself. I'm gonna go ahead and increase that to 4. We're going to go ahead and make a new custom block. We're going to call it choose spawn point. Going to edge number. Do 3 if else's. I'm gonna put that together. Now we gotta check for all the corners. I'm gonna go ahead and put that right there. Then we are going to do if equals. I'm gonna name this corner 1, by the way. If edge is equal to 1, I'll be right back. Anyway, sorry about that, guys. We'll do that for a second. If edge number or corner is equal to 1, then we're going to go to this corner right here, which is go to there. Then we are going to go ahead and duplicate this. Going to make this 2. Duplicate this. Going to make this 3. Now you may be wondering where the other thing is. We're just gonna go ahead and drag a regular if then. We're going to put edge 4. So 2 would make sense to be like over here, I guess. I'm gonna go ahead and drag your enemy there. Go to the motion, and then you're gonna drag this block out. Which is quite simple. Just gonna make sure that these are the same. And using this x position, instead of negative 237, we're going to do positive 207, and the y is going to be the same. So this would be edge 4. Then we're going to go ahead and duplicate this, and then we're going to go ahead and put positive 207. And now it should work. So that's our whole thingy right there. And in case you want to use this again, you can just go ahead and open your backpack and put it in there. As you can see, I already have it in there. See? But that's not important. Now we are going to do, when I start as a clone, I'm going to go to the custom blocks, choose a spawn point. Now you may be asking, how are we going to pick a random spawn point? Simple. Just choose spawn point, pick random, 1 to 4. Easy, guys. It's simple. Simple and easy and fun tutorial. And I think I'm going to end the episode there. Oh wait, no, not yet actually. We're going to show. So now, if we do this, we will see that our cubes are spawning in every single corner. You just gotta wait a little. So for reference, I'm just gonna put this to 1. And I'm going to go ahead and wait for a cube to spawn here. As you can see, boom. Your project should be looking something like this. But that's it for this tutorial. For this episode of this tutorial. I'll see you in the next one. See you later, guys.